Anyị na-aga n'ihu, anyị na-aga n'ihu, ịlaghachi azụ bụ ọnwụ. Anyị na-aga n'ihu, anyị na-aga n'ihu, ịlaghachi azụ bụ ọnwụ. This is amazing, the end of 2019. Chukwu nara ekene. 2019 hasn't been a bad year, especially for somebody like me. It has been amazing. It was better than 2018. 2018, I got to a point in my life where I almost lost my life. But here am I today, the end of 2019, going into 2020. 2019 was amazing. And I believe that in the same way, 2020 will even be far, far better. And that is what I am wishing all my friends and supporters out there. That 2020 will be amazing for you. That you will progress in all your different endeavors. Whatever you decide to do, that you will have progress in it. You will have happiness and health. That 2020 will be beautiful for you. So to cap it all, I am wishing you life. That the soil of 2020 will not take your life. That you will see the end of 2020 and be grateful and move into the next year and 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 ahead in your life. So I wish you all happy new year, happy 2020, happy better year, happy progressive year. That everything we decide to do this year, this new year, will be amazing. Will be amazing. I greet you all for all those who have made sure that I keep growing and growing and growing, as we also stretch our hands to make sure that we create impact all over the world. Wherever you are, there is no impact that is too small. Start from the little you can do and spread it. Spread it across, spread it all over the world, and the world will feel your impact. Do not be a waste of creation. So wherever you are, be doing something. Happy New Year.